How are you, friends and families? This is part 58 of Aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification. As usual, I am presenting you weekly Aptitude test questions with their solutions. And these questions are very important for graduates and students. And these questions will appear in any type of examination, either vacancy examination and educational examinations. So if you are a student and if you are a graduate who is searching for a job, and if you are a member of this channel, then you will be benefited. So subscribe this channel, and again, share the channel to your friends and families who may need aptitude test questions. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 172. The bus fare for one person is $420 from place A to place B. And the train fare between the two places for one person is equal to 3/4 the bus fare for two persons between the same places. What is the total fare paid by 3 persons traveling by bus and 4 persons traveling by train between the two places? A. 3,360, B. 3,406, C. 3,440, D. 3,780. So what is given here is the bus fare between the two places, and it is 420, and again the train fare between the same places for one person is equal to 3/4 the bus fare for two persons between the same places. And what is required is the total fare paid by 3 persons traveling by bus and 4 persons traveling by train between the two places. So you have to find out the amount of money paid by an individual traveling using that of the train between the two places. So you have to convert the word problem into a mathematical equation first from the given informations. Now there is a bus fare for one person between two places, and it is $420. But the train fare between the two places for one person is 3/4 the bus fare for two persons between the same places. So you can convert this word problem into mathematical form as such: 3/4 into 2 times by 420, and it is equal to 630. Multiply it, 3/4 times by 2 times by 420. It is 630. Now the total fare paid by 3 persons traveling by bus and 4 persons traveling by train between the two places is therefore the sum of, multiply 3 persons times by 420 plus 4 times by 330, because the amount of money paid by a person when traveling using a bus is 420, and again the train fare is 630. So the total amount paid by 3 persons traveling by bus is 3 times by 420, and the total fare paid by 4 persons traveling by train is 4 times by 630, and it is equal to the sum of the two elements, and again it is equal to 1260 plus 2520, and it is equal to 3780. So your answer for this question is choice D, 3780. Anyways, from this question, you are given first the information on the bus fare, and the bus fare is 420 from between the two places for a person. And what is given here is again the train fare between the same places for one person, and it is equal to 3/4 the bus fare for the two persons between the same places. And what is required is the total amount paid by 3% traveling by bus and 4% traveling by train. So you have to follow all these steps to get the answer for this question. What is given is first here is the bus fare, it is 420, and the train fare is 3/4 of 2 times by 420, which is equal to 630. So 420 is the bus fare for a single person, and 630 is the train fare for a single person. And what is required is the total fare paid by 3% traveling by bus and 4% traveling by train. So multiply 3 times by 420, it is 1260. And again multiply 4 times by 630, it is 2520. Add the two, you get 3780. Anyways, weekly I'm just presenting you aptitude test questions with their solutions on this channel, and the channel name is Beak Academy. So subscribe and be a member of the channel. And again, you can comment and give any directions or anything that you want to be improved. So I will provide you many more aptitude test questions that may help you in your future career. So be a member of this channel. And on this channel, till now, I'm just provided you 172 aptitude test questions on various topics. And again, in the future too, I will provide more and more types of aptitude test questions. And you'll be benefited if you are a member of this channel.